Welcome to Exampro, AQA's essential exam preparation tool for teachers. Exampro offers a range of question banks, annotated exemplars, and mock reports. Our question banks contain hundreds or thousands of AQA exam questions, which have been mapped to the current specifications by subject experts. Updated regularly, our question banks are available for a range of GCSE and A-level subjects: science, psychology, PE, maths, languages, geography, economics and business, design and technology, and computer science. Save time finding the questions you need for everything from starters and plenaries to topic tests, homework tasks, and revision exercises. You can filter questions using the search tool. Search options are specific to each subject, or you can use the quick index search. When you click on a question, the content window will show all of the relevant information for that question. You can drag and drop questions to easily create a document. Export to PDF, Word, or to the cloud. When you save your document, a web link is automatically generated. Use this to share without printing. Highlights is an interactive tool with marked and annotated real student responses to AQA exam questions. Our flagship subject for highlights is GCSE English, but we also have exemplars for GCSE and A-level science, A-level psychology, and GCSE languages. Merit, our mock reporting tool, has simple mark entry, clear and useful reports, and population comparison. It is available for GCSE Science, English, and Maths. Go to our website to find out more about Exampro's question banks, annotated exemplars, and mock reports. Exampro, the essential exam preparation tool for teachers.